of Health, Nairobi County. I'm the chair, I'm on the policy chair. I have a team of 23 members, and we are on a first-finding mission. We have walked to almost eateries and supermarkets. Now we are here at Naivas Supermarket, Moi Avenue, and we have realized that one, there are expired products which are being put in the shelf, rendering Nairobians to be at a risk because of the food safety. Number two, we have come up and found that most of people who are handling the food are not being tested. So we therefore, as a committee, resolved that we close all the Naivases so that they can be tested and be given certificates so that they are able to serve the Nairobians. The most important thing is about food safety, and we will not sit back, and we are urging the CEC, Madam Susan Silantoi, to move with the speed to make sure that Nairobians are safe under food, because most of these facilities have expired products. For example, we have Daima yogurt, which is expired and is being put in the shelf, and Nairobians are buying expired products. With this one, KCC, Daylight yogurt, there is no shelf life. So even the clients are not able to know when it's expiring and when it was manufactured.